Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation Abishop and welcome to another unboxing and testing. Quick review lang po tayo. Shoutout po natin Sir Romel. So ngayon meron tayo ditong ENC Combat Master Current Tactical Innovation Block 17 Gen 3 Gas Blowback Airsoft Pistol by ENC po. Yan, so standard sight pa rin ng Glock. Meron siyang lagayan ng flashlight. Naka front and rear serrations na rin, stapled grip, yan, with markings. Yan, this is airsoft pistol po, so ang bala po nito ay plastic BBs, airsoft BBs, and then ang propellant po nito ay green gas. Ayan, gas blowback airsoft pistol Block 17 Combat Master Gen 3. So, testingin po natin, sir. Load tayo ng gas. Inverted position po, upside down. 3 to 5 seconds lang po. Airsoft BBs. Ayan, so testing po, Block 17 Gen 3 Combat Master Gas Blowback Airsoft Pistol. Block 17 Gen 3 ANC Combat Master Current Tactical Innovation Gas Blowback Airsoft Pistol chambered in 5.95 Airsoft BBs, plastic BBs. Shout out kay Sir Romel. Okay, and testing. Okay, nag-reload tayo sir ng another 4 shots. Testing po, Glock 17 Gen 3 Combat Master. Chambered in 5.95 plastic ball BBs. Yan, so pag wala na siyang bala, nag-open slide. Paminsan po hindi po yan nag-open slide. Pero normal lang po yun, no? Kasi minsan pag yung continuous ang gamit, malamig ang mag, hindi siya nag-open slide. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na sira na yung unit nyo. Ibig sabihin, normal lang siya. Okay, so ayan, release magazine. Normal lang talaga minsan din nag-open slide. Okay, Glock 17 Combat Master Tactical by ENC.